Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best way to use Cash App hidden features. Alright, it's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into the video. Now, the best way to use Cash App's hidden feature is to explore the app beyond, basic sending and receiving. Many users overlook tools like, transactions notes, spending history filters, and customizable notifications. All of these add clarity and control. Using notes consistently turns your activity feed into a usable record rather than just a simple list. Notifications can be adjusted to alert you only for important actions, and this reduces noise while improving awareness. Cash App Boost, when checked regularly, functions as built-in discounts rather than just random perks. Security settings such as payment confirmations and biometric locks are often underused but provide strong protection. These features are not hidden by design but by habit. Intentional exploration and setup transforms Cash App from a simple payment app into a more organized financial tool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.